Greetings, keyboard enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of the 5 best RGB backlit mechanical keyboards. RGB lighting adds flair and personality to your keyboard setup, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. We'll showcase 5 exceptional mechanical keyboards, each boasting vibrant RGB illumination to elevate your typing experience. Join us as we unveil these top picks, illuminating your keystrokes with the best RGB backlit mechanical keyboards.
The Strafe RGB mechanical keyboard has always been a fan favorite. And now, with the Strafe RGB Mark II, we've added a ton of features that you guys have been asking for. Strafe RGB Mark II comes with either Cherry MX Red or Cherry MX Silent key switches. Cherry is the gold standard when it comes to mechanical switches, and this helps give Strafe RGB Mark II a competitive advantage. Each Cherry switch is made in Germany with precision engineering. With extremely responsive actuation zones, Cherry MX delivers flawless key presses with a lifespan of up to 50 million actuations. The Reds offer smooth and linear actuations, while the silent switches dampen noises by up to 30%. The silent switches are perfect for those of you who stream, have roommates, or work in an office, and want to avoid the audible click of traditional Cherry MX switches. iCUE software enables even greater functionality. You have virtually unlimited RGB control and access to beautiful lighting presets. You can sync your Strafe RGB Mark II with all other compatible iCUE RGB devices, and you can reassign any key or set up complex macros that are great for gaming or productivity. Strafe RGB Mark II also features onboard profile storage. That means you can take your custom lighting profiles and macros with you wherever you go. The easy access multimedia controls and brand new volume scroll wheel allow you to make on-the-fly audio adjustments without interrupting your game. On top of the keyboard is a built-in USB pass-through port, which is perfect for your mouse, phone, or any other USB device you have lying around. And with Strafe RGB Mark II's 100% anti-ghosting and 104 key rollover technology, it ensures no matter how fast you play, all of your key presses will register. The Strafe RGB Mark II has loads of new features, looks amazing, and is built to perform. To find out more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
Today, we're unboxing the G413 SE, one of our new gaming keyboards perfect for newcomers and veterans alike. It comes in the 10 keyless and full-size versions, depending on what size you prefer on a desk and how you like to play. Designed with tactile mechanical keys with PBT keycaps and durable aluminium top case, they'll be the ideal addition to any setup, from a chill indie at lunchtime to a competitive multiplayer at night. To hear more from us, make sure to subscribe to the Logitech G channel and hit the notification bell to be updated on any new products and videos. But for now, let's unbox the keyboard. Right, so let's get into it. It opens nice and easy, the top here, and there's some cardboard protecting the wire of the keyboard. And it all comes out nice and easy. Take this packaging, and here it is. So first impressions are how great it feels. The brushed aluminium top plate gives it a smooth, sleek look that will fit in perfectly with any setup. It's at an affordable price point and has a fully mechanical keyboard. So you have that lovely tactile sensation when you're messaging friends or tapping away during a game. The tactile switches are a massive part of this. If you haven't felt them before, you'll notice an instant difference. It also has a 6-key anti-ghost rollover, so it can keep up with your movement no matter how fast you type or switch between your keys. The white LED lights also help the keyboard stand out no matter the light. The natural glow will look good in all setups, whether you like things bold or minimalist. It's wired with 6 feet of cable, so you don't need to worry about where to plug it in. You can start planning all that lovely cable management for a super clean battle station. The G413 SE and TKL SE deserve a sleek setup. So those are the G413 SE and G413 TKL SE keyboards. We can't wait to get this home and start playing. If you want to pick one up yourself, follow the link in the description, and thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.